Today I am reviewing the Apple iPad Pro 11-inch M5. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Apple iPad Pro 11-inch with the M5 chip represents the absolute cutting edge of tablet computing, blending desktop-class performance, advanced AI capabilities, and a stunning display into an ultra-portable form factor. Designed for professionals, creators, and power users, this iPad Pro is not just an upgrade. It's a clear statement of where mobile computing is heading. At the core of this device is Apple's M5 chip, which delivers a massive leap in performance and efficiency. Built for demanding workflows, the M5 brings next-generation speed, advanced graphics, and dedicated neural accelerators for on-device AI tasks. Whether you're editing high-resolution video, working with 3D models, running complex productivity apps, or multitasking across multiple professional applications, the iPad Pro handles it effortlessly. Everything feels instant, fluid, and responsive, even under heavy workloads. Paired with 256 gigabytes of fast internal storage, this configuration provides ample space for apps, creative projects, photos, and videos. For users working with larger media libraries or professional files, higher storage tiers are available, but 256 gigabytes strikes an excellent balance for most creators and power users. The system speed ensures that file transfers, app launches, and rendering tasks happen without noticeable delays. One of the most impressive features of the iPad Pro is its 11-inch Ultra Retina XDR display. This is widely regarded as one of the most advanced displays ever put into a consumer device. It delivers exceptional brightness, deep blacks, precise contrast, and incredibly accurate colors thanks to P3 wide color, promotion adaptive refresh rate, and True Tone technology. Scrolling feels silky smooth, animations are fluid, and visuals look incredibly lifelike whether you're editing photos, watching HDR content, or sketching detailed artwork. The display also excels in everyday use. Text looks sharp, colors are consistent from any angle, and the 11-inch size offers a perfect balance between portability and productivity. It's large enough for serious work, but compact enough to carry comfortably anywhere. Running the experience is iPadOS 26, which introduces a redesigned interface with the liquid glass design language and a far more powerful windowing system. Multitasking feels closer than ever to a desktop experience, allowing you to organize apps, resize windows, and manage workflows intuitively. Professional apps run smoothly, and the operating system takes full advantage of the M5 chip's power, making the iPad Pro a legitimate laptop replacement for many users. A major highlight of this generation is Apple Intelligence, Apple's personal intelligence system. Built directly into the operating system, it helps with writing, organizing, communication, and creative tasks while maintaining strong privacy protections. AI features run on-device whenever possible, ensuring your data remains secure while still delivering smart, context-aware assistance throughout your workflow. Camera performance on the iPad Pro is equally impressive. It features a 12-megapixel rear-wide camera and a 12-megapixel front camera in landscape orientation with center stage, making video calls feel natural and professional. The addition of the LiDAR scanner enhances augmented reality experiences, depth sensing, and creative applications, particularly for designers and developers. 4 studio-quality microphones and a 4-speaker audio system deliver rich, immersive sound that's excellent for calls, content creation, and media consumption. Connectivity is another area where the iPad Pro truly shines. With Wi-Fi 7 powered by Apple's N1 chip, wireless speeds are incredibly fast and stable, ideal for transferring large files or streaming high-resolution content. The inclusion of 5G cellular connectivity with the Apple C1X chip means you can stay connected almost anywhere, making this iPad perfect for professionals on the move. Security and convenience are handled by Face ID, allowing you to unlock the device, authenticate purchases, and sign into apps instantly with just a glance. It's fast, reliable, and seamlessly integrated into the experience. Despite all this power, the iPad Pro maintains all-day battery life, ensuring you can work, create, and consume content throughout the day without constantly worrying about charging. Combined with its slim, lightweight design and premium space black finish, the iPad Pro feels both futuristic and refined. In conclusion, the Apple iPad Pro 11-inch with M5 is a no-compromise device built for users who demand the best. It delivers unmatched performance, a breathtaking display, advanced AI features, and industry-leading connectivity in a portable form. Whether you're a creative professional, a business user, or someone who simply wants the most powerful tablet available, the iPad Pro stands at the top of the category as a true powerhouse of modern computing.